Hi, Kristin Cooper here. Thanks so much for watching. Today we are going to answer the question, my credit sucks, should I buy? Great question. And actually it's a very valid question, and it really depends on the market that you're in. Now, when it comes to, there's different type of facets. Now, if you have low credit scores and you're looking to get an auto loan, should you get an auto loan? Well, my answer to that is, do you need the car? Where are you at? Is it a need or is it something that you want? Is it a necessity or just a desire? Now, if you don't need the vehicle, then it may behoove you to work on your credit scores and get your credit scores up so that you can get better financing. It really is going to depend on where the market is and financing rates as well. Are they on a trajectory where those rates are going up? Is it going up at a rapid pace, or do you have time to work on your credit? You may work on your credit and then find that the interest rates have gone up what you would save, which is the true with mortgage. And that would be my question with mortgages, or my answer with mortgage is, do you get a loan or do you work on your credit? Now, when it comes to mortgage, it's even a bigger scale, right? Because it's the biggest debt indebtedness that you're going to take on in your life. And so it has a big impact because it's such a long loan that you're going to have. And so that interest rate is very imperative when it comes to your net worth, you're building your portfolio. And so on that, I would say it's really dependent on the market. Now, right now in the market, and we're in 2018 going into 2019, mortgage rates are on a climb, and their trajectory is that they're going to continue to climb. So now if we wait to get your credit score up so that we can save you, let's say, 0.25% in interest rate or more, well, then we wait and it's 6 months to a year later, we get your credit score up, interest rates are already at 0.25% or even higher now and cost you more. Not only are you losing any appreciation potential that you can have within that market. So when it comes to a mortgage, I would say that it's not really in your best interest to wait to get a mortgage because you're losing ultimately more by waiting. The cost of waiting if the home, appreciation goes up is great. The cost of waiting if the interest rates go up is great. So really it's about looking at where's the current market conditions and what's most beneficial for you. Now, me as a mortgage planning specialist, we look at those options. We decide together, does it make sense based on what your ultimate long-term goals are for you to wait to buy, or is it best for you to go ahead and proceed with purchasing the home if you can qualify now and you can afford the terms? Now, the nice thing about a mortgage is you're not stuck in a mortgage. At a point in time, usually it's a 5 to 7, 8 year cycle, interest rates go up, down, up, down. When they come back down, you can always refinance into a lower rate at that time with the better credit scores that we're going to work on, so that when you can get into a position where you can rewrite your loan at no cost, no points, no fees, and it makes sense, you can have the better credit scores to do that. So it doesn't really make sense for you to wait. It makes sense for you to meet with a mortgage planner such as myself to find out if it's a good time for you to buy or not. Hope that answers your question. If you have any more questions, please reach out. More than happy to add an additional video answering the questions that you have. Until next time, have a great day.